This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, install Python 3.8 or newer on your development machine for compatibility. Next, open a terminal and run pip install Firebase 4 to install the Firebase client. Then create a Firebase project in the console and enable the services you need like real-time database or Firestore. After that, download the service account key, JSON from project settings, and save it securely in your project folder. Finally, note your Firebase project ID and database URL for configuration in code. Begin by loading service account key, JSON in your Python script and parsing it securely. Then initialize Firebase using the credentials along with your project ID and database URL values. For authentication, choose email and password sign-in or create custom tokens for server exchanges. Use Firebase admin for admin tasks and Firebase for client-style operations in scripts. Also configure your database rules in the Firebase console and enable read and write permissions while developing your app. To write data, use db, child path, set data or db, child path, update data for partial updates. To read, use result equals db, child path, get, and iterate over result, each for records. When working with Firestore, use the Firestore client and document references similarly. Test your code locally and then deploy cloud functions or your backend with Firebase CLI for production use. Finally, rotate service keys regularly, assign proper IAM roles, and lock database rules before going live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.